Bartlett. I'm an artist based in Vancouver, Canada. Welcome to my studio. I'm a mixed media artist who's particularly passionate about working with encaustic, which is a medium that is a combination of molten beeswax, damar resin, and pigment. Encaustic painting is an ancient art which gained popularity in the 20th century, but it's seen a huge rise in popularity in the 21st century. Encaustic boasts this beautifully translucent and slightly milky surface. It can be textured or silky smooth. It can be worked into exquisitely carved surfaces, and encaustic's ability to layer mixed media materials into the painting strata is unparalleled. I'm delighted to be participating as an instructor in an amazing year-long class devoted to learning best practices in encaustic painting. This program, called Painting with Fire, hosted by the Irish art school Essence of Mulranny, gathers 26 world-renowned encaustic artists together to share their knowledge and expertise on all aspects of this wonderful medium. Plus, you get to peek into our studio practices to see behind the scenes. This masterclass includes 52 lessons on landscape painting, figurative painting, abstract painting, photoencaustic, sculpture, color theory and composition, monoprinting, assemblage, collage, working with shellac and pastels and inks, oils, fibers, and more. Encaustic combines beautifully with all matter of mixed media, and for over 15 years I have made it my business to explore this delightful medium. Take a peek into some of the moments included in my video lessons. Sign up now and receive both the Early Bird Special at $249 US for the entire year and a special bonus. When you purchase from me, you'll be entered to win a free year-long PWF Masterclass. I'll be describing the use of many enticing art supplies that can be used. I'll share with you opportunities for adding rich color and form to your encaustic work. Painting with Fire 2324 offers you a stimulating year of creative learning and encaustic exploration. 52 weeks devoted to studying exciting techniques of encaustic painting designed to inspire you in your own creative journey. 26 teachers and over 50 hours of tuition. Use the link in the description below and feel free to contact me with any questions. Happy creating!